Hello, my name is James Neathery. Welcome to the Banking with Life Q&A series. This is where I answer your questions concerning the infinite banking concept. So let's get started. In this question, am I too old to start a policy? No, the short answer is no, you're not too old. I do not care how old you are. You are not too old to become your own banker. The next question is really a continuation of the thinking from the first question. Who should I start a policy on? That's also a very common question when we feel like we're too old or we're uninsurable or, we're just the death benefit's going to cost too much. That's thinking from the basis of life insurance, the cost of the death benefit. And of course, the older you get, the cost of the death benefit is higher. Okay. Well, if you're older, you just get less death benefit comparatively. Same premium from a younger person or compared to a younger person. Okay. Who should I start a policy on? Yourself. That's where you should start. Then there's a natural expansion from you to other potentially family members or other people that you have an insurable interest in. So start on yourself. The next question. James, how do you get paid? Typically, I get paid by checks and digits, probably like you do. However, the pay comes from the life insurance company. So I'm a life insurance agent. When I write life insurance, guaranteed contracts, I get paid commissions. Okay. I'm also an investment advisor representative. When I write investments, I get paid fees. The fees are deducted from the investor's account. Commissions are paid from the general revenue fund of the life insurance company. We all know at the end of the day, the consumer pays for everything. Okay. And I assure you, I'm not overpaid, much like you. Work hard for what we do earn. The next question is, James, how do you use your policies? Well, currently we have financed a pool, automobiles, remodeling, house remodeling. We have financed in the past real estate purchases, real estate remodeling, down payments of real estate, medical, dental, deductibles, and medical expenses. We have family vacations, education. We finance taxes. So about every way that you think you can use a policy, you probably can. So we just use them in everyday normal expenses, right? Things that we were going to purchase and finance anyway, we just finance through our life insurance policies. Okay, good question. Thank you. The next question, this next question we receive regularly in different ways, and it directly gets to interest rate and arbitrage, the difference in interest rates. Commonly we hear, James, why would I borrow money from the life insurance company in such a low interest rate environment? Or, James, I have capital available at 0%. Why would I borrow money from the life insurance company? And then I hear too often that, James, I have a policy that has an 8% loan rate and I have another policy that has a 5% loan rate. There's outstanding loans on both of them. Should I borrow from the company that charges 5% to pay the company that charges 8%? Listen, whenever you've over leveraged and you're using life insurance policies to finance other life insurance policies, I'm suspect if you're doing things correctly. Okay. Now, when it comes to an arbitrage or a difference in interest rates, look, math is math. If I can go down to my bank and borrow their money that didn't exist at 4%, or I can go to the life insurance company and borrow their money at 5%, that's my choice, right? The banker gets to do whatever they want. The question is, do I want to jump through the lender's hoops? Do I want to cough up 2 years of tax returns and K-1s and income statements? And maybe I do. Maybe I don't. I get to make that choice. Math is math is math. 0 is less than 5. There's no question about that. Who's controlling the banking function in your life? So this is not about interest rates, right? This is not about leveraging to create money out of thin air. This is about becoming your own banker and who's controlling the banking function in your life. That's it. Thank you for listening. If you have a question that you would like an answer to, email us at james@bankingwithlife.com. If you're watching us on YouTube, please be sure to like and subscribe and join us weekly for content.